Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Abhi's Beauty Hack. It's Abhi here. In today's video, I'm going to give you a complete review of, not review, my personal experience with three different Nivea's underarm roll-ons. So let's get into the video. So the first thing is Nivea's whitening smooth skin deodorant. So if you go check in Google that best underarm roll-ons in India, this particular roll-on comes into your search list. This tops your search list. So not only Nivea's underarm roll-on, it has many variants, but I found the top 3 picks of Nivea's underarm roll-on, and I'm just giving my experience with that. So among that, this only comes the first. In Nivea, this is the best deodorant, like underarm roll-on, is what the Google says us. So with that, I just badly wanted to purchase this, and I did it. So this is the thing. It contains 0% alcohol. It contains mulethi extracts, which provides you even toned underarms. So that is the main duty of this. So this is 200 rupees, that is 199 for 50 ml. So this lasts you for about 2 months. So 100 rupees per month will be your budget. So this is actually nice. It has smooth runny texture which slides easily onto your skin, which is easy for application. And the perfume, the fragrance which is from this, it is also amazing. It is excellent. It says that it lasts for about 48 hours in your skin, but does not last for about 48 hours actually. It lasts you for 12 hours, and that is for sure. It lasts you for 12 hours, and that is more than enough, I feel. So it leaves your underarms smooth and even toned without causing any irritations or rashes down in that area. So that is the main advantage of this particular deodorant or underarm roll-on, which I like the most. Of course, this contains antiperspirant and aspirant or perspirant something. Okay, it contains antiperspirant, and this does not contains alcohol, which is the major which stops my preference. I prefer something which is not containing alcohol. To those underarms who profoundly sweat, who sweat a lot, and if you want a good deodorant, you can really choose this one, particularly from Nivea. Okay, so this, what it does is it covers up your sweat, that smell, that that funky smell. It covers it up completely. You can raise your hands high without any without any disgust or without any fear. Okay, but it does not really whiten your underarms and all. That way I will not give you an assurance. So you have products for whitening your underarms. So one of the products is like Cura underarm whitening cream, which I have given the review. I will give the card, as well as I'll leave the link in the description. You can go check it if you want. So that is all about this. So we'll go on to the next one. Next is Nivea deodorant Pearl and Beauty. This is my second most favorite. So this is the small cute package of this. Actually this came for something, for my friend gave me, and I didn't really buy this, but I have tried this already before. I'm using underarm roll-ons for about 6 years. Yeah, for about 6 years, and I have changed. I'm keeping on changing my products for exploring. So Nivea, I have been grown with Nivea because Nivea has a major role in the Indian cosmetic market. So I have been grown with Nivea, and I have experience, hands-on experience, not hands-on experience, I have experience with Nivea products over like around 14 years or so. So this is the Nivea's Pearl and Beauty deodorant. This also contains 0% alcohol. That way all Nivea deodorants or underarm roll-ons contains no alcohol, which will be your highest preference and which gives you satisfaction of their products. So this product says that it leaves your underarm smooth and beautiful. All these products, all Nivea underarm roll-ons or deodorants, they have expiry, they have the shelf life of about 2 to 3 years, which will be more advantageous to us. The fragrance only matters. So in each and everything, the fragrance is different. Texture, don't think awkward that why is she even applying on her hands. So I wanted to show you that even though it is creamy from inside, you can see that it is creamy from inside, but when you slide it on your underarms, you does not really feel the creamy texture. It is only, you know, runny. Only for that purpose I'm like showing it on my hands, so don't feel me like something else. Okay, so this is also one of the good product. I like it from Nivea, and this has different completely different fragrance from this whitening smooth skin. But again, this also does nothing, you know, it has nothing to do with your you know, underarm complexion. It completely removes any odor from your underarms, and that is all. Okay, so for that I would recommend you these two products. So next is Nivea whitening sensitive. So this contains even mulethi extra. This contains sensitive, and this is for smooth skin. Okay, I don't have that extraordinary sensitive skin. I have normal skin only. This has shelf life about 2 months, not months, sorry, 2 years. And the 25 ml of this packaging is 99, that is 100. So this will last you for about a month, and this is the bigger one which lasts you for 2 months. Okay, this, I think this suits the most sensitive skin type also. But another thing, if you have the sensitive, if you are having that kind of sensitive skin, super sensitive skin, please don't use any deodorant. Okay, so if you are someone who have that extraordinary sensitive skin, no, please don't don't do any experiment with your skin using any of these products, because all these products contains, you know, 100% chemicals. Okay, so if you have that extraordinary sensitive skin, like I will give a video for that, what you have to do for removing your order down there. And for that, don't forget to subscribe my channel, only then you will get my video notifications whenever I post it. Okay, so these are the 3 products I bought from Nivea, and one thing I would guarantee you, that this does nothing with, you know, underarm whitening. All the 3, okay, all the 3, since I have used this after seeing this video. So please be wise in choosing your products. Be, you know, check for the ingredients, check for the what that ingredient mean in Google before you purchase anything. Okay, so these are for normal skin or dry skin. Okay, or for that sweaty underarms, you can for sure use this. It can be used by any age groups. I forgot to mention this can be used by, you know, any age groups. If you are above 10 years old, you can for sure use this. If you're going outside, if you really want the, you know, underarm roll on, if you really want to cover up your order, use only then. Okay, if you are in home, if you are relaxing, please don't use this too much. Other than water, nothing is natural, I feel. Okay, if you are washing your underarms daily, if you're taking bath, if you're keeping yourself clean, that itself will do. Okay, if you really want this, use it only then, not always. So this is also one of the thing I wanted to share with you. Yes, I think I have shared whatever I know about this. I think this is not so informative, but I think informative to some extent. And if you have any doubts regarding these underarm roll-ons, you can like text me. Okay, not text me. Okay, you can text me in Instagram also. You can comment it down there in the chat box. I will be happy to reply you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification, only then you will receive my videos whenever I post it. I say this in every video because 95% of our viewers are not subscribing to my channel. You're only viewing it and going, I'm just making, you know, I'm putting my effort on this video. So please subscribe my channel and then watch it. It will be helpful for me as well as for you. Okay, mutual understanding. We'll all meet you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Abhi. Tata.